Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to delete watch history on X or Twitter watch history. So let's get into the video. So if you want to delete your watch history, unfortunately there is no direct ways how you can delete these. So there's a couple of workarounds that you can try because Twitter doesn't allow you to actually delete your watch history entirely, so it's not really possible. But what you can do, if you go to your Twitter account, log into your Twitter account, you can delete your search items here. So if you click on the X, that will clear all your search items. So that's one way you can delete your search results. Or what you can do, you can simply also go to your settings, your app settings, and then when you get to your app settings, you can try to delete your apps cache. So your apps cache and data, so try to delete that, or you if you're using your iPhone, try to offload the app. So when you delete all these and then try to reinstall the app, so when you reinstall the app, your caches and all your relevant data will be deleted, and you can, so that might help you get rid of your watch data. And then you can try to just reinstall the app and see that if that works better for you, as there is no direct ways to delete entirely your watch history. So I hope this information was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.